Imagine generating premium music, stunning video songs, and full AI-powered content without ever picking up an instrument or hiring a freelancer. That's exactly what SongBuddy AI does, instantly. And today, I'll walk you through the full demo, plus show you how you can create and sell user accounts with agency access, resell the entire platform for 100% commissions, or have everything done for you while the system produces profit-ready songs for you automatically. Let's jump in!
The guitar screaming while cats jump on the stage. Paws hit the rhythm like they're breaking out of a cage. The guitar screaming while cats jump on the stage. Paws hit the rhythm of a cage. Take the stones.
Glow kites way up. Glow kites way alive, dancing through beams where colors dive.
While cats jump on the stage, paws hit the rhythm like they're breaking out of a cage.
This is a sample of the selected voice. Hello there, I'm Levi, your personal AI companion. I'm here to guide you.
So that's the full walkthrough of SongBuddy AI. If you're ready to get the most out of the platform, here are the upgrades I highly recommend. The Agency Edition, where you can create up to 50 or even unlimited sub-accounts, manage users, and sell SongBuddy AI access for any price you want. The Reseller Edition, giving you full rights to resell the entire platform and keep 100% of the profit. And the Done For You Edition, where our team sets everything up, creates your video songs, generates premium tracks, lyrics, voiceovers, graphics, and high-converting content so you can skip straight to earning. Click the link below and choose the options that fit your goals, and I'll see you inside SongBuddy AI.